This wireless weather station is the perfect addition to your home, providing real-time indoor and outdoor temperature monitoring with a sleek, modern design. It features a high-resolution color display that presents temperature readings, humidity levels, and an accurate weather forecast. The device supports temperature measurement ranges from -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, for outdoor readings, and -9.9 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, indoors. Equipped with a wireless sensor, this weather station offers a transmission range of up to 60 meters in open areas, ensuring accurate and real-time updates. You can connect up to 3 outdoor sensors for enhanced coverage. The 433.92 MHz RF transmission frequency provides a stable and reliable connection. Additionally, the device is designed for convenience, allowing you to mount it on a wall or place it on a table stand. The touch function eliminates the need for physical buttons, offering an intuitive user experience. The backlit display ensures easy reading even in low-light conditions. Whether you're planning your day, monitoring weather trends, or simply checking the time, this weather station is a practical and stylish solution.